and Baymont Inn and Suites.
This is a test. This station is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This has been a test of the emergency alert system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal would have been followed by official information, news, or instructions. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
The KCRG